Hello students, welcome again the chapter number 5 acid bases and salt. Okay, you already learned about in this chapter indicators. Okay, litmus, China rose indicator, phenolphthalein indicator, turmeric acid indicator. Okay, now let's discuss about the acid. Okay, now let's discuss acid. Okay, yeah, in this part we have to learn acid. Okay, if we cut a lemon and taste it, the lemon appeared to have a sour taste. Sour taste means khatta taste. Okay, the sour taste of lemon is due to the presence of an acid in it. The acid present in lemon which gives a sour taste is called a citric acid. Like raw mango, raw grapes, lemon juices, orange juices, curd, sour milk, vinegar, etc. In these all the things taste are sour taste, okay, due to the presence of acids in them. Okay, the acid present in plant material and animal material also. Okay, that is called organic acid, and the acid can be defined as follow: the substance which react with a base to form a salt. Okay, a substance which react with a base to form a salt is called an acid. Acid have sour taste. Acid turn blue litmus to red. Okay, curd, lemon juices and orange juices, vinegars, taste of sour, na? That's why, because of these substances taste we contain acid. Okay, the chemical nature of such substance is acidic. The word acids come from the Latin word acerus, which means sour. The acid in these substances are nature in acidic. Yes, in acid the taste is sour. Okay, acid produce hydrogen ion. Okay, hydrogen ion produced and turn blue litmus to red. Acid metals, salt plus hydrogen gas conduct electricity are corrosive, as that's why acid rain is following. Okay, now acid pH level is less than 7. Thus the example of acids are vinegar, lemon juice, orange juice, curd, turmeric, amla, black tea, apple juice, unripe mango. Unripening mango means kacha aam, grapes, etc. Yes, acids found in like acetic acid found in vinegar, formic acid found in unsisting, citric acid is found in citric fruits such as orange, lemon, etc. Lactic acid is found in curd, oxalic acid found in spinach, and ascorbic acid, vitamin C, amla, citric acid, fruits, etc. Okay, now tartaric acid is present in grapes, unripe mangoes, etc. Yes, some other acids are found in like hydrochloric acid is found in stomach acid. Okay, sulfuric acid found in car batteries, nitric acid is found in explosives, acetic acid found in vinegar, carbonic acid found in sodas, phosphoric acid found in flavoring common salt acids, formic acid found in unsisting, citric acid found in lemon, oranges, and lactic acid in curd, oxalic acid in spinach, ascorbic acid in amla, okay, and tartaric acid found in the unripe mangoes, grapes, etc. Yes, students, the acids also are two types. First one is organic acid and second one is mineral acid. Okay, the organic acid means acid that occur naturally are called organic acid. Example: the citric acid, tartaric acid, lactic acid. These are the organic acids, and mineral acids are mineral acids means inorganic acids. Okay, acids that are prepared from minerals present in the earth are called mineral acids. Okay, examples: sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, etc. Yes, students, you know acids are strong as well as weak also. Okay, that's why the acids are two categories, strong acids and weak acids. All the acids can be divided into two groups, strong acid and weak acid. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acids are strong acid. On the other hand, acetic acid, formic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid and carbonic acids are some of the weak acids. In this picture, some other example of strong acid and weak acids. Okay, the hydrochloric acids, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrocarbonic acid, hydroiodic acid, etc. These are the strong acids, and weak acids are oxalic acid, sulfuric acid, okay, nitrous, benzoic acids, acetic acid, formic acid. These are the weak acids. Students, now we have to go our next topic, acid rain. Yeah, what is acid rain? Acid rain is basically rain that has a higher than normal acid level. It can have harmful effect on plants, aquatic animals and infrastructure of the earth. Okay. In this, the sources of acid rain is broad term referring to a mixture of wet and dry deposition. Okay, that means deposited material from the atmosphere containing higher than normal amount of nitric and sulfuric acid. Yes, effect of acid rains. The effect of acid rains are the acidification of lakes and streams, forest damage, decay of building and plant, and increase the public health problems. Okay, acid rain makes the water of lakes, ponds and river too acidic, due to the which fish and other aquatic animals get killed. Acid rains eats up the leaves of the tree gradually. By losing leaves, the trees die. Acid rain also damage crop plant in the field. Acid rain damage the metal structure like street bridges, etc. when it falls on them. Acid rain damage the surface of building and monuments made of stones. Okay. Yes, acid rain causes damage to aquatic animals like fish, trees, crops, metal structures, etc. Okay. Yes, student, what are the causes of acid rains? Yeah, burning coals, oils and natural gas in power station makes electricity given off sulfur dioxide gas. Burning petrols and oils in vehicle engines gives off nitrogen oxide as gases, and these gases with mix with water, vapor and rainwater is the atmosphere producing weak solutions. Yeah, or sulfuric and nitric acid which falls as acid rain. The precipitation that has a pH level of less than that of natural rainwater, which is about 5.6 due to dissolved carbon dioxide. It is formed when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide as gases or fine particles in the atmosphere combine with water, vapor and precipitated as sulfuric acid or nitric acid in rain, snow or fog. This is acid rain. Okay students, now we will go to our next topic, bases. Yeah, what is bases? The substance which have a bitter taste and feel slippery. Slippery which means soapy touch, okay, are known as bases. Nature of these substances is basic. Okay, baking soda, soaps, detergent, milk of magnesia are some of the example of bases. Yes, the characteristics of bases. Bases have a bitter taste. Bases feel slippery on your fingers. Bases turn litmus from red to blue, and bases react with acids. Yes, students. Yeah. The bases are a substance which can neutralize an acid to form a salt. Is called a base. Bases have bitter taste. Bases turn red litmus to blue. Some of the examples are bases A, the sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, that means milk of magnesia, ammonium hydroxide. Okay, and these bases are used in, like sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of paper, soap and detergent. Okay, potassium hydroxide is used in manufacturing of soap and batteries, and calcium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of mortar and plasters, and milk of magnesia means magnesium hydroxide is used as antacids to neutralize acidity in the stomach, and ammonium hydroxide is used in the cleaning agent and manufacture of fertilizers. Yes, student, like acid, bases also strong base and weak bases like acids. Okay, strong bases are sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, and weak bases are the calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, magnesium hydroxide, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, these are the weak bases. Yes, students. Now let us go about neutralization. Yes, the neutral substances means those substances which are neither acidic or nor basic in nature are called natural, neutral substances. Okay, some of the neutral substances are pure water like distilled water, glucose, cane sugar and common salt. These are neutral substances. Okay, and the neutralization process means a neutralization reaction is a reaction between an acid and base that produces a salt and water. A salt is an ionic compound made up of a cation from a base and an anion from an acid. For example, HCl means hydrochloric acid plus NaOH means sodium hydroxide, make NaCl means sodium chloride, and produced water means H2O. Yes, students, now we discussed about the neutralization in our daily life. Okay, a neutralization process is done in our daily life. Like first point is ingestion. What is ingestions? Yeah, ingestions means our stomach produce hydrochloric acid. The hydrochloric acid help in digestion our food without harming the stomach. Sometimes excess of hydrochloric acid is produced in stomach due to the various reasons. One being overeating. Okay, the excess of acid in the stomach causes indigestion, which produce pain and irritation. Okay, the person who has excess acid in the stomach is also said to suffer from acidity. In order to cure indigestion and get rid of pain, we can take paste called antacids. Okay, a common antacid used for curing indigestion due to the acidity is milk of magnesia. Okay, like milk of magnesia contain a base called magnesium hydroxide. Okay, magnesium hydroxide neutralize the excess acid present in the stomach and cure indigestion. Hydroxide neutralize the excess acid present in the stomach and cures indigestion. Another antacid is baking soda. Baking soda contain a base called sodium. Okay, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Antacids are available in the market in the form of liquid, mixture or tablets. Clear? Yes.